Hello, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to play games in Gemgala app and win. The first step you have to take is to download Gemgala app from your Play Store, App Store, depending on your device. The next is for you to set it up and open it. So when you open your Gemgala, this is the interface of your my Gemgala. Now in Gemgala app, if you play mini games, you're going to earn from it. Now if you're confused on how to play, these are a few steps you have to take. Now you're going to see the top right corner, you're going to see the settings icon, you're going to see the keypad icon there. Just click on that keypad icon. You're going to see tutorial. So right here tells you how to move your shape. If you want to move it, if you want to learn how to rotate during the game, you can see how it rotates. Just if you want to flip, you can see how to flip. If you want to replace a block, you can see how to replace a block. Now you can also from here see the different patterns we have for the games, the different block patterns and their names. So guys, with this tutorial and you identifying the types of blocks that we have here, I believe you'll be able to play games in Gemgala app and win very well. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.